Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you guys are. Welcome to another edition of the trade recap. So, two nice trades today. The first trade I took today was this MEET. So MEET, we can see, was gapping up above all of this resistance here and has room to go higher into this resistance level. This morning we saw this pull back and started to come right back up. So when it took out the high of the day, I bought it long 538, 6-cent stop loss at 532, and then it popped up above 550 and we ended up just taking our profit right there at 551 was our exit. As you guys can see here in the room, this trade was called live before I got in myself, as well as the target was also posted. So we got out here at 51, really nice trade, pulled the cheese out of this trade on MEET. Another nice trade I had today was the COL. I could have made more money on the COL. I got out a little bit early, but let's recap the trade. The COL trade, I got in long right here, as you guys can see the setup. 98.90 was my long entry. My stop loss went at 98.74, and as you guys can see here, it triggered me in, popped up a little bit, but then came right back down and almost stopped me out. Held my stop loss by 1 cent, by 1 penny, and then it popped right back up again. So as you guys can see, nice pop overall on call. I took my profits. I actually got out a little bit early because you can see here it's still going up, but nice trade nonetheless. So nice quick trades, MEET and the COL made for a nice day. Actually Friday was a really nice trading day as well. I forgot to make a video on Friday, but Friday I traded McDonald's, which was really good for us. And this is a good example actually. It's because it's a textbook play. A lot of you guys who've been following us on YouTube and watching our videos, you know we have many videos just on a one pattern alone, right? The 3-bar play. It's one of our favorite patterns. And you guys can see here on Friday, I took a trade on McDonald's on a 1-minute chart right at the open. Look at this 3-bar play, right? Nice little 3-bar play. I got in long right here, placed my stop loss right there, and you guys can see here McDonald's had a super nice move on Friday. And we made some nice money on that as well. So that's kind of how the trades have been panning out. Last couple days have been pretty good. And as far as Forex trading is concerned, we just basically killed it this month, literally killed it. Just take a look at some of the testimonials I've received, right? Take a look at some of the testimonials I've been getting. I've been only a member for the last 3 weeks or so, but I'm really impressed so far, not only with the way better than expected results, but with quicker replies to the questions. Deborah's taken all but one of my trades, and she's had her best month so far in 1.5 years of Forex trading journey. And take a look at some other ones here. Marco, check out this comment. I'm sure you're doing well after this unbelievable month of March. I'd like to thank you for your Forex signals sent through your Twitter. In 6 months, he's up 62%, right? And he's also enclosed a picture of his MyFX book verified results. So let's take a look at that. Wow, look at that. You can see his equity graph, verified results. He's up 62%. He made almost 10,000 euros in just the last 6 months, just following along with the trades. Here's another testimonial, right? The results for the last 2 weeks have been phenomenal, as well as investing with you. She's learning as well. So your stop placement, patience, and no fear is what I learned this week. I feel first time in a long time that your future is bright. Keep up the amazing work. So those are just some of the testimonials. There's actually way more on my Twitter if you take a look. If you go on my Twitter, we'll be able to see more as far as the testimonials are concerned. And take a look at this one. Thanks, Anmol. I'm up more than 70%. I learned a lot on how you manage trades during drawdowns in a choppy market. Right? Those are just one of the testimonials. Here's another one. Finally found real people who are teaching and helping me to grow my account. Anmol is the best. Thank you, Amir. I appreciate it. Appreciate the comment. And here's another one. Nice profit since December, mate. I am increasing my investment now. Keep going. Here's another one. Nice calls with live traders. I took a few and we're in profit. Love the 9 a.m. group with Dale and team. Here's another one. Thank you, Anmol. 62% in 6 months. Following your signals. You are the one. Here's a few more. Thank you, Anmol. I joined Partial Way in March. Balance is up 20%. I know not every month's like this, but it's an awesome start. So 20% in 1 month. That's crazy, right? Here's another one. One of my biggest regrets is I didn't follow all the signals trades. I'm not only impressed with the results, but I've also built a trust to invest more and follow the signals. And here's another one I got through Twitter private message, right? Someone posted his profit and loss signal. Look at all these profits, 400 bucks, 200 bucks, 400 bucks. And look at what it says right at the bottom. Impressed. My account balance went from 5,200 to 7,400 in 4 days. Keep up the great work. So, you know, getting a lot of good testimonials. Of course, the month of March has been just insanely good. for us, right? Not every month is like this. I'm up like 44% just in my Forex account this month. This is my best month ever, so let me just make it clear. Not every month will be like this, and March has just been crazy, right? I've never had this big of a month in Forex, but 44% in 1 month, and the month's not even over. It's only the 20th. So great stuff there, and it's great to see a lot of the people who are in the trade copier. They've doubled their accounts. Some of them are more than double the accounts, which is always great to see. And it's not easy for me as a trader to put my name on the line, right? Not many traders do that in this industry. They just focus on courses and live stuff, live education, and not really trading. So it's hard for me initially to put my name on the line and be like, all right guys, I'm gonna trade for you. I'm gonna get a trade copier, or I'm gonna trade, and it can just get copied on your account. And it was a little bit pressure because I know I have so many people just copying every single trade. All the trades are being copied in their account, and I'm kind of responsible in a way. So it's a good feeling when you see people double their accounts and you get emails like this. Keeps me motivated. So these comments are not for bragging or impressing you. It's to impress upon you how easy trading could be if you make it to be, right? Trading will be as easy or as difficult as you make it to be, okay? And what's important is to realize that drawdowns will happen, down months will happen, down weeks will happen, down days will happen, but what matters is over time, what do? There's a reason why companies report earnings on quarterly basis, right? There's a reason why hedge funds and mutual funds release annual returns. They don't talk about day-to-day returns, week-to-week returns, month-to-month returns. So you got to keep those things in mind, right? The longer term picture, that's what most traders are missing, the bigger picture. So keep that bigger picture in mind and things will pan out for you. And hopefully you guys got something out of this little video. And I will speak to you guys in another video. Take care.